Ever wondered what it took to forge a sword worthy of a knight? This wasn't just metalwork, it was an art. Picture this, a blacksmith in a dimly lit forge, hammer in hand, transforming a lump of raw iron into a weapon fit for a knight. The process was grueling. First, the iron had to be heated until it glowed red hot, then hammered repeatedly to remove impurities. But here's the genius behind it. They'd often fold the metal, layer by layer, not just to strengthen the blade, but to create mesmerizing patterns. Some swords took weeks to perfect, and just one mistake could shatter the steel mid-forge. The final step, quenching the blade in oil or water, locking in its legendary strength. These weren't just tools, they were masterpieces designed to last centuries. Would you have survived the painstaking process of sword making? Drop a comment below.